Yes, hello there. I am Joshua. Today we are going to talk about the models that we have for our blood bank management system. This is group 6. There is me, Joshua, Hilary, and Nicholas, as you can see. Today we are basically going to handle what a context model is. This basically outlines how the system interacts with the users and other external systems. So for our Rua Blood Bank, the team here will show to us how this system of ours will interact with our external components. So let me welcome my colleague so that they can take us through. Thank you.
Uh, Good evening, team. This is Hilary. Basically, the context model, basically, this is whereby the system interacts with external entities. And in our next slide, we try to identify some of the systems that may interact with our system. Number one is the donor system. This is whereby maybe if the hospital is big and maybe the blood bank is very big, and possibly it may have some there may be a system just that only manages the donor details. So that donor detail system will be integrated with the main system, which is for this case is the Arua blood bank management system. Then also another system may be another system is the blood inventory system. Basically, this one uh, looks at the whatever what we have in the store, the amount of blood we have in the store, and maybe if they remove some, and how much is left in the inventory. So another one is hospital management system. Basically, this one we are trying to mean a system, an external system that other hospitals may use to request for blood. For instance, maybe a clinic maybe referral, not referral, health center 2, health center 3, those ones, those kinds, maybe they have this kind of system that request blood from the blood bank. So those are all systems that they fall under the context model that interacts with the main system. And then our context diagrams is as shown. You can see the main systems. It is in the middle, which is the Arua blood bank management system. Then alongside it, there are some other subsystems. For example, the donor system, as I mentioned earlier, basically it captures all the details concerning the donors. Then the transport system, we can also term it as like logistics. Like when a blood is dispatched from the main system, so there has to be a system that tracks the movement of the blood from the from the blood bank to the destination, maybe the health center, clinics, everything, all the recipients. Then other things are self-explanatory. I would welcome my friend to take us more.
Okay, I'm going to take you through the interaction model of our system. As you can see, the interaction model of our system is basically describes how different actors and system interact with the raw blood bank management system. As we are going to see in the next slides, the different actors and how they interact with the system. Let me just go. Okay, as you can see here, one of the actors we have the donor. The donor first gets registered by getting the donor details, then the donor donates blood, then that information is all captured in the logs detail. Then we have the blood bank staff. The blood bank staff, they do a couple of a couple of activities in the system. One of them, they issue blood, like issuing blood to other hospitals that have requested, and the blood is transported and delivered to the specific hospitals. Then again, what the blood bank staff do on the system, managing the inventory.
they can check on the amount of blood that is available in the inventory, and also get alerts from the inventory about the blood that is available or the one that is getting done, so that they can see the way of restocking. Then also they can generate reports and compile so that they can make analysis. Then we have other hospitals also, they can request for blood from the blood bank using. Then the system administrators, these are the technical people who can do system maintenance. So I think this brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you.